Hi there folks, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm in a place called Flanders Natural Nature Reserve. It's a kind of a wetlands kind of nature reserve, and at the moment it is it's just gone 3 o'clock, so the sun is just starting to set, so I'm going to try and see if I can get as much shot of this video as I can. Yeah, the sun is really low. I do apologise for the light, but I'm going to try and see if I can get as much shot in the reserve as I can. Let you see what's going on, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. And if you do, please click on that subscriber button, please click on that notification bell, leave some likes, leave some comments. It's always really appreciated. So this might be a bit of a quick video depending on the light, but it does look like it's going to be a really pretty place, so it looks like it's probably somewhere I can come back to at another date and do another video for you all if you want me to. So I'm going to shut up now and get out the car. This is just having a surrounding landscape. I think that's kind of, yeah, that is Stirling that way. So I don't think I can make it in the video, but I can just make out the Wallace Monument, which stands up on top of the Abbey Craig. So those hills over there, which have got a slight dusting of snow on the left hand side, that's the Ochil Hills. So I'm going to be heading over this way. So it's a Flanders moss. So this nature reserve is actually on the course of Stirling, and it used to be twice the size it is today. And the nearest town is Stirlingshire. Yeah, you can just make it through the trees. There's a viewing platform. Just gonna head up that way, try and get some good views. And the temperature is starting to drop. So it is essentially to try and protect and preserve this area. It's got quite a rare bog, kind of rare wetland, and the species that live in it. That's the viewing platform up there, and you just see the mountains through there. That's the Trussocks. I'll get a better view of them from the top of the tower. Here you can just see the top of the Ochil Hills over there. And I think the tree line on this side and up around there marks the boundary of the moss on that side. You'll be able just to see the snow-capped mountains to the north. And there's geese nesting nearby. That's a right rare wee hidden gem, this. I think that tall snow-capped mountain over there is Ben Lomond. So Loch Lomond would be just on the other side. Yeah, so the Trussachs kind of stretch all the way from essentially Argyll into Stirlingshire. Now, somewhere like here, Flanders Moss, it's very, very important because somewhere like this, it's quite a rare place. It's quite a rare place, so you get a lot of like. It's quite an important home for invertebrates and other animals, but also because it's a bog, it stores a lot of carbon dioxide. Because it helps to trap and store a lot of carbon dioxide, that can actually help slow down climate change, which is a good thing. And so that's why it's always really important for places like this to be protected and preserved, because places like this, they provide habitats for animals and invertebrates, but can also help with the fight against climate change. So, and it's just a beautiful place to kind of come and visit. I will turn the camera around in a minute and shut up and let you just hear how quiet it is here. Well, that's me just back from my wee wander around the Flanders Moss National Nature Reserve. Bit of a mouthful, that. It's the sun is just kind of really starting to go down now. I think it's properly going to set in about 15 minutes. So it will be kind of getting dark quite soon. And all I can say is the Flanders Moss is a wee hidden gem. It's a beautiful wee place to visit. It's really quiet, and unless you actually knew where it was, you probably wouldn't even think about stopping here. But the fact that it's part of what used to be a larger peat bog, and the fact that it's so important for kind of nature conservation, so it's kind of, just for that, it should be somewhere that people should come and visit, especially if they are interested in the nature, kind of exploring that sort of thing. And it's just, yeah, it's also the fact that it's just a beautiful wee place as well. So again, that's one of the main reasons why I love doing this channel, is being able to find wee places like this and just being taken aback by how beautiful the kind of wee hidden corners of Scotland really are. So definitely recommend this one, especially if you are in the Stirlingshire area. Again, the fact that it's not that far from Stirling, and yeah, if you're up for exploring and going a bit off the beaten track, definitely add this to your list. So I'm going to sign off now. Hope you all enjoyed what you saw, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.